Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Meditation Time, where we take 5 to 10 minutes just to give to us and only us for the benefits of our mental well-being, our emotional well-being, and our spiritual well-being. Because what? Because we're worth it. So, before we get started, let me go over some benefits of meditation. Meditation can make you feel happy. It improves your memory, makes you feel more grateful, reduces stress. That's one that's going to come up a whole lot if you Google benefits of meditation. That's always going to be a number one benefit in most cases. Improves concentration, encourages compassion, helps with decision making, improves sleep, helps to delay the onset of Alzheimer's, helps in fighting addictions, improves your sex life, encourages mindfulness, encourages weight loss, reduces back pain, encourages health, encourages a healthy lifestyle, reduces loneliness, requires no physical exertion, extremely affordable because it's free, and helps slow down the aging process. How's that one for you? That last one. Woo! So, and that's what's so phenomenal about it. It requires absolutely zero physical exertion. It's one of the most simplest things that we can ever do in all our lives. It offers us immensely powerful benefits to our well-being. Now, after you've done the research on meditation, you can barely, it becomes nearly a no-brainer of why you would even need to do this. You know, it becomes peculiar as to why meditation isn't even more aggressively encouraged in our society, because we could all use this. All of us can benefit from meditation. From young and old, all ages can benefit from meditation. So, with that being said, let's get started. Get comfortable. Legs crossed or uncrossed, it really doesn't matter. It's all about your preferred state of comfort level. Today, I'm going to fold my legs. I do whatever's comfortable. I go with how I feel. I do what's comfortable for me. So, remember to breathe. Close your eyes. Perfect. Thank you. That was wonderful. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you had a good time with your meditation session. Wherever you do, and wherever you go, always make sure that you make time for you. Even if it's just 5 to 10 minutes a day, out of 24 hours, you can at least give yourself 5 or 10. It's the bare minimum. It's the least you could do. You know why? Because you're worth it. Peace.